welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Ermine Frosting. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm hoping that's the way you say it. So this is one of those that I haven't made before, and I've made almost every kind of frosting known to man. So I thought I'd try this one and let you know what I think. This one is kind of, it's not dissimilar to German frosting, German buttercream, but it is slightly more like floury. It's almost like adding pudding to a frosting, but not quite. It's a little flourier, yeah. Anyway, but I thought you'd be interested in this one. It's not super sweet, so let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 5 tablespoons or 40 grams of flour, a dash of salt, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar. Add sugar, flour, milk, vanilla, and salt to a saucepan. Whisk it together. Heat it over medium-high heat, stirring frequently until it comes to a boil and the mixture begins to thicken. Cover with plastic wrap and allow it to cool to room temperature. With the mixture room temperature as well as the butter, add butter to a large mixing bowl. Cream it smooth. Spoon mixture into the creamy butter. Beat mixture until smooth. Chill frosting in the fridge for about an hour and beat again. It should now be frosting consistency. This frosting isn't too sweet and makes a great filling for sandwich cookies or Swiss rolls, where there is already sweetness from something else. It is, however, far softer than most frostings, so it would be difficult to pipe. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.